Say hi, Bella.
Bring up and stand in the room. Dora? No. Shut up, man. Dora. Get out. That's my loud, obnoxious son there that you guys are hearing on YouTube.
Bella. Bella, come out and play. Peekaboo, Bella. Hi, baby. What's Mama got? There you go. I see you down there. Everybody sees all your toys in your cage. See, I have bunches and bunches of toys. What is this right here? What is this right here, Pumpkin? Bella, come out and say hi. Come out and say hi. What do you got there? Oh, did you get a treat? You're so sweet. Bella, Bella, what's Mommy got? Bella, Mommy got another yogurt drop. Look. Show everybody those pretty toes. Yeah. Let me see your toes. Oh. Oh, is she dramming? Oh, yes you are. Get it? There you go. You're so precious. Look at it. Is it good stuff? That's good stuff. Yes, I see. Oh my goodness. I didn't mean to scare you. Peepa, Bella. Peepa. She's so much fun. Peepa. What are you doing? She says it's actually time for me to get up. Yes, it is. She gets up between, well, usually about 9, 10 o'clock at night, and she plays all night. Okay, Bella, say goodbye. Say bye.